हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप? एक्चुअली इन द लास्ट वीडियो वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट द इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट natural language processing, and today we will discuss about the application of natural language processing. What are the application of the NLP? Applications of the natural language processing we discuss. There are many applications, but some of them which are important we are discuss here. First one is the chatbot, second one is the autocomplete in search engine, and third one is the voice assistant, fourth is the language translator, fifth one is the sentiment analysis, and sixth one is the grammar checkers. These are the main applications which are used in the which deals with the natural language processing. First one, chatbots. Chatbots are a form of the AI that are programmed to interact with the human in such a way that they sound like the humans themselves. Sometimes there is one of the best example when we deal with the customer care. There is a chatbot which is interact with us. This is the example of the chat. And autocomplete in search engine. Search engine uses their enormous data sets to analyze what their customers are probably typing when they are particular word and suggest the most common possibilities. We can understand with the this example. In the diagram we can see there is a Google. When we have to write anything in the Google, just for example, I have write SEO. Then there are many searches are there like at SEO search engine optimization, SEO keyword analysis, SEO marketing, SEO content. So if you want to search anything in the Google in the search engine, then we have to find the similar types of the similar types of the word. So this is called the autocomplete in search. And voice assistant, there are many applications for the voice assistant. So they use a complex combination of speech recognitions, NLP, natural language processing, understanding, and natural language processing to understand what human are saying and then act on it. We can say that a particular language, a regional language which is understood by the machine. These comes into the voice assistant. There are many examples like as Google Assistant, Bixby, Amazon Alexa, and Hi Siri. These are the devices which deals with the human language. Yeah, we can say that which understand the human language and converted to the machine language and behave like as a actor. Language translator allows the algorithm which converts a sequence of word from one language to the another, which is a translated. So there are many examples of the translator, but some of them this is the best. This is the Google Translator is there, and we can understand what is the translator if I know the English but do not know the Punjabi, but I can hire a one person who interact between both them. So translators are the mediator between the both your human languages and the machine languages, which converts your one language to the another language. We can say that we have to write a high level language, it converted into the binary language. And sentiment analysis, almost all of the word in a social media these days, and companies can use the sentiment analysis to understand how a particular type of user feels about a particular topic, product, etc. They can use the natural language processing, computational, linguistics, text analysis, and etc. Now in the diagram there are three emojis are there. We can understand with the behavior of these emojis. One is the angry, second is smiley, and third one is the laughing. So sentimental analysis, a machine nowadays taking the some feedbacks, and we can understand with the help of that feedbacks, like it may be positive feedbacks and maybe negative feedbacks. This is called the sentiment analysis. And in the case of sentiment analysis, in the diagram we see here, one is the tokenization, stop word filtering, navigation handling, stemming, classification, sentimenting classes, text input. All these work with the sentiment analysis. And one is the grammar checker. In the grammar checker, what will happen? These are checking your word grammatically correct or not. So grammar and spelling is very important factor when writing the professional report for your superior. Even assignment of your lectures, they can not only correct the grammar and check the spelling, but also suggest the better synonym and improve the overall readability of your content. So we can say that key grammar is play very important role in our life as well as in our writing. It may be technical writing. So there are many tools uh, which correct the grammars, like as grammarly is there, and one is the quillbot is there. In the diagram we are we there is a word vary, 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 but this is not grammatically correct. What is the spelling? Vary, vary. So grammatically checkers also give the suggest the better synonym to improve your readability as well as your content. So all over about the applications of the natural language processing. And thank you if you have any query regarding about that. And for the technical education, you can WhatsApp me on the my given number 7737459110. Thanks a lot.